Metals started off the week with a quick drop and bounced back precisely from the support zone here at 32.4850 and silver from 35.4050 zone. Can we say that the lows for the day are done? Can we expect a recovery from the current levels and how far it is going to be? If not, where to sell? Everything we're going to see here with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, for the week, and the next update will be released before the US session. This is the only channel to give you two updates a day such that you can profit across sessions, be it Asia, Europe, and US. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, comment, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Gold on the hourly charts hitting the lows here at 32.48. We have seen a good recovery here. It has come down towards the resistance here. Let's wait for it to break now 32.84-85 levels, and then you can expect 32.92 and 3300. 3300 is one good resistance it need to breach in order to confirm slight bullishness, because beyond 3300 the possibility of a move towards 33.16-18 will be very high. Let's wait for it to take a direction. Right now I can see it is still staying bearish here, and the move just here was to converge towards the 20 period average. Stochastic back to overbought zone. The MACD hitting the lows, now crossing over, and if you look at the MACD, double bottoming is done and it appears to be showing signs of a little recovery here. The RSI is also coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2-hour charts, now if you apply the same rule that the prices converge towards 20 period, this also suggests that there could be a move which is going to take it towards 32.92 or in fact 3300 zone. I will say a buy is only about 32.84-85 levels. Stochastic rising. MACD, after taking a quick dip, it is now trying to converge and crossover. This crossover can lead to slight retracement. RSI coming out of the oversold zone here. On the 3-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts, delivering lower highs, lower lows. Now it is giving a breakout here. Once it trades beyond 32.84-85 zone, you can expect further rise towards 32.90-92, and in fact we can see 3300. And notice, if you look at the move drop retracement, then you consider this drop, so there is a possibility of a retracement towards this zone, that is 3300, 3320. While at any point of time gold trading below 3260 is a clear sign of further correction here. The stochastic is rising. The MACD has taken a good dip. Wait for it to converge and it may cross over for a buy, and the RSI is now looking upwards. Coming to 4-hour, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Notice drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. It could retrace, and this is how it has been trading. This is a nice bearish channel. This is a nice flag here. Let it stay beyond 3320, which will confirm the reversal here, and not a reversal, but you can say bullishness here. And once it trades beyond 3360, then you can say it's a reversal, else it is still not under reversal. The stochastic rising, the MACD has traded enough bearish. Wait for it to cross over for a buy. RSI just coming out of the oversold zone. Now coming to the daily charts. When you look at the daily charts, see, first the day started on a bearish note. It has formed a candle here, hitting the lows at 32, 50, 40, which is indeed 50, 48, which is indeed a very good support. I have discussed this several times. 32.50, this was the time where we have seen the breakout, we have seen the first dip, then since then prices advanced, and now it has taken the support from the same zone. So now for the near term, it is pretty important for gold to breach 32.50. A breach below 32.50 will confirm the move towards 3200, but right now you can see it is taking the support and trying to bounce. It is possible for gold to keep retracing, but I'll wait. First 3300, then 3320. These are the two levels it needs to breach in order to confirm further advancement here. As long as it stays below 3320, we should be very critical of the reversal, and a move beyond 3360 is the only confirmation of reversal for the near term. Now appears too far, but yes, if it can drop sharp, it can bounce back sharp as well. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD trading sharply bearish. The RSI is also placed at bottom. So looking at this, first is where you should buy. And before I provide you the complete levels with targets, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch starting today. This is the 33rd batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Invest in your learning first. This is the only investment which can give you profits throughout your life. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're just willing to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Again, reach out to me for details. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you SWAP-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now where you should buy first 32, 84, 85, you can initiate a buying entry, expect 32, 90, 92, 3300, 3302. And if that is taken, then 33, 14, 33, 18 should be the next target. If that is breached, 33, 14, 18 zone is breached, ideally the chances of 33, 30 and 33, 40 will increase. And if that is also taken, stay bullish. This is a reversal. Gold is looking forward to a massive move. If at all it stays beyond 33, 40, we will look forward to 33, 56, 33, 84, 3400 zone. But I am not in favor of such a stronger rise, at least today. Yes. So this is on the buy side where you should sell now. Now a selling entry in gold can be taken. See, though ideally you should wait for 30 to 60 levels, but since it is far, I will recommend you to sell somewhere here at 32, 72, where you can expect 32, 66, 32, 60, and then 32, 48, 50 zone. If at all gold breaches 32, 48, 50, stay short. Stay short 32, 36, 32, 20 levels should be there, and then 3200 has to be there as well. Trade accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver on the hourly charts, likewise, see, hitting the support at 35, 40, 50, we have seen a quick recovery. Now it has come back towards the same zone, the same resistance 3620, which it has struggled the last trading session. Now, if you see silver trading beyond 3620, that is, the lower price has to be above 3620. You can initiate a buy for 3640, and if that is also taken, possibility of a move towards 3665 will be high, and then 3685 will be the next. Though right now it is in a recovery mode, but if you see largely silver has stayed in this bracket where 36 65 85 on the downside, 36 40 50 on the 35 40 50 on the downside, 36 65 85 on the upside has offered a stronger resistance and support. The stochastic here is also rising. The MACD after quick retracement has crossed over. It is trading bullish looking upwards. The RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, when you look at 2-hour charts here, the crossover is on the moving average, is on the sell side. The prices were trading with divergence from the moving average. It is pretty important for silver to trade beyond 3620, which will confirm its further advancement. And then if you see it staying beyond 3640, you can say possibly once it trades beyond 3640, the bulls might try to take over. And then we can see it hitting 3665, 85 zone. The stochastic rising, the MACD after staying bearish now trying to converge, it has not yet crossed over. The RSI is rising. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3-hour chart, similar observation here. See quick dips. Every time it has taken a dip, it has bounced back higher. So there is a possibility of a move towards, in fact, 37. And a move beyond 37 is a clear sign of further advancement in silver prices here. Notice after delivering lower lows, lower highs, it is trying to deliver a breakout. So a move beyond 36. 20 should be a good entry point for us, and a move beyond 36 65 85 will confirm a reversal towards 3710 and in fact higher. The stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge here, not yet crossed over. RSI is rising here. Coming to 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, delivering lower highs, lower lows. Now it is trying to advance on the upside. Let it stay just beyond 3620 and then 3640, 60, or in fact higher levels are possible. Though what I am looking here is after the drop, it should try to confine itself within a narrower zone. At best, 3700 or $37 levels should be something which it can try to achieve, but that should also offer maximum resistance. But let it break beyond, because still I will say the preceding highs, silver has got a stronger resistances on the upside. The stochastic is rising as well. The MACD has seen good lows. Let's wait for it to cross over on the buy side, and the RSI is rising. Coming to daily chart. On the daily charts, you can notice the drop, the retracement, the drop, it may try to retrace. Retrace means a possibility of a move towards 36, 40, 60, and if that is taken, we can also take this as a reversal where we can in fact expect 36, 85, and if that is taken, it is going to fly high. notice it has formed a very good support at the 20 period moving average. So you have to be very careful here till 35.40, 35.50. It's not bearish, though it has lot much of room available on the downside. I'll say, see, because it has delivered lower highs, if you connect lower lows, so hitting the highs here, prices can reverse. Where it could head towards, it could head towards 35 or in fact 35.4 levels. See, the MACD here has crossed over. It is trading with divergence. Little convergence does not mean a reversal here. Means if it delivers couple of greener candles, can move towards 36.60.80. And from those levels again, prices may bounce, drop. The RSI is also now looking upwards. So considering you can buy at 36.20, but you have to be careful with every 20 cents till 37. Or in fact, let's include 37.20, 37.30, the preceding highs. Yes, till double top levels, you have to be cautious. Prices hitting the double top can reverse. That is one point here. But also right now it is under retracement. It is trying to bounce back and it may continue to do so. That is also very much possible that today it can keep on rising. But you have to trail with the 20 cents, 36.40, 36.60, 80, 37. Very clear, stronger resistances. On the downside, the selling entry can be taken only below 35.80 levels. If you see silver below 35.80, take a sell. Expect it to move towards 35.60, 35.40. And if 35.40 is taken, this time it's gonna head towards $35 levels. 35, 34.80 should be the first target. 34.50 and $34 levels are the next targets here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. See you again before the US session. Till then, have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.